Is supporting your loved ones in Bangladesh feeling like a financial Everest? Let's simplify things. Today, I'll show you how to send money to Bkash in Bangladesh using Worldremit, making it quick, easy, and secure to get funds to your family and friends. First, head over to the Worldremit website or open the app on your phone. Begin by selecting Bangladesh as the country you're sending money to. This tells Worldremit where the money needs to go. Now, you'll see different options for how your recipient can receive the money. Look for the Bkash logo. Click on Bkash, as this will send the money directly to their mobile wallet. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. This is really important, so double-check everything. You'll need their full name, as it appears on their ID, their Bkash registered mobile number, and their address. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will clearly show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Pay close attention to this so you know exactly how much your recipient will receive in Bangladeshi taka. Choose your preferred payment method. Worldremit offers various options, including debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Select the one that works best for you and enter your payment details securely. Review all the transaction details carefully one last time. Make sure the recipient's name, Bkash number, and the amount are all correct. Then, confirm the transfer. You'll see a confirmation screen with the transaction details and the estimated arrival time. Generally, Bkash transfers are very quick, often arriving within minutes. Now you're supporting your loved ones with ease.